Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the 11labs text-to-speech software. So the first thing you want to do is go to 11labs.io, and here you will have the option of either sign in or sign up. If you need to sign up, you will be taken to this page right here, and here you will have the option of either signing in with your Google account, your Facebook account or your email. When you have signed in, you will be taken to this page right here. The first thing you want to do is to choose your preferred voice, and you can do so by choosing a voice from the top drop down menu. Here you can choose from the pre-made templates. Let's say you want to add your own voice, you can do so by clicking on this add voice button right here. You will now be taken to the voice lab tab, and the next thing you want to do is to add voice. If you have a plus subscription, you will be able to upload your own voice, but if you are at free version, you can click this button right here and you will generate a voice by going through the options here. And this is something where you want to play around with. You can choose the accent, the age, the gender, and you will have the accent strength. And when the optimization is done, you can click on this generate button and you will listen to the voice. If you are happy with the voice, you can click on this use voice button, and then you want to name it. And the voice you just made, you will find in the drop down menu right here. The next thing you want to do is to paste the text you want to use. So you can go over to the ChatGPT and any other software to generate the text, and then copy the text, and after copying, just paste the text here. Then click on this generate to listen to the voice. And the next thing you might want to do is to play around with the voice settings. You can do so by clicking on this second drop down menu, the voice settings, and here you can play around with stability and the clarity. My experience, you will have a more natural sounding voice if the stability is at the lower end and the clarity is at somewhere at the mid range. But you need to play around with it to see what fits your needs. And when you are happy with how the voice is sounding, you want to click this button right here and you can download it here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.